Alright, now on Samsung Galaxy phones, unlocking the phone using the ultrasonic fingerprint is quite quick and easy, and it works flawlessly. However, if you are using a tempered glass, the phone does fail to recognize your fingerprint. Sometimes it can get really annoying. And now, Samsung seems to have fixed this. Samsung has introduced a brand new feature on the One UI 8.5 to improve the fingerprint accuracy. And that is what we are going to check out in this video. And this video is going to be very important for all the Galaxy phone users out there. So keep watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do go ahead and subscribe. More than 70% of you who watch my videos regularly have not subscribed yet. If you subscribe, you get to learn a lot. You're not going to lose anything. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you find this video informative. Now let's go ahead. We have got Galaxy S26 Ultra on the right hand side running on One UI 8.5. Let's go to settings. Let's quickly search for fingerprints. Now we are on screen lock and biometrics menu. Let's do the same on One UI 8 here. I'll search for fingerprints. Let's go to screen lock and biometrics menu here. On both One UI 8 and 8.5, the menu looks the same, the options look the same. Let's tap on fingerprints here. I'll open this as well. Now I have already added a couple of fingerprints here on both the devices. Now on One UI 8, if I tap on a fingerprint which is already added, it will just ask me to rename that fingerprint. Whereas on the One UI 8.5, if I tap on already added fingerprint here, we get three different options. We get this pop-up which will give you edit option, remove option, and improve accuracy option. Now improve accuracy option is going to help us a lot. As it says, it improves the accuracy. Now let's go ahead and tap on improve accuracy. It says to improve the accuracy of fingerprint 1, scan your finger 10 times. Make sure it's the same finger you used when you registered this fingerprint. So all you need to do is just use the same fingerprint and use it 10 times here. Let me just keep pressing on this 10 times in different angles. There it is. Accuracy has been improved, it says. And believe me guys, the accuracy did improve after doing this on my S26 Ultra. This is the same process on S25 Ultra as well on the One UI 8.5. And when you get One UI 8.5 for the Galaxy S24 series or S23 series, I'm pretty sure Samsung will make this feature available on your devices as well. Now I think this feature has arrived from the same method where we used to use a single finger to create multiple fingerprints to improve the accuracy. Do you remember in our previous videos we did discuss to improve the fingerprint accuracy, you can use the same finger to create fingerprints multiple times so that it catches the fingerprints accurately. And now Samsung seems to have implemented it. Just tap on the option, tap on improve accuracy, and just scan your finger 10 times. As simple as that. Now let's try this. I'll unlock the phone. I'm using a tempered glass on the S26 Ultra. Look at that. It's pretty accurate. It catches almost every time without any issues. Let's also do this while the screen is off. You see that? It is working flawlessly and it did improve after performing this method. So if you're already on One UI 8.5 beta, go ahead and use this feature. If you're on Galaxy S26 series, it's available on the stable version of One UI 8.5. You can also use it on the S24, S23 and rest of the Galaxy phones. It will be coming very, very soon. So stay tuned. That's about it. That's all I have here in today's video. Hope you have already subscribed to the channel and do download our wallpaper application Wallverse. The app link is in the description. There are some beautiful collections and premium wallpapers available on this application. And if you like the application, do rate it on Play Store. A 5-star rating would be much appreciated. That would encourage me to keep adding more and more wallpapers for you guys. So go ahead, rate it on Play Store. That's all I have here. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.